Our fashion designers are redefining fashion and they are giving renaissance to our culture through our fashion, and we are indeed very proud of them. Going by what we've been bringing to you since the beginning of this year up until this moment, you cannot but appreciate the fact that African fashion has indeed come of age. It has evolved into this enviable position that it is right now, and it can only be better with people like us who have made it a tax upon ourselves to always be dishing out the best of African fashion to the delight of the world. With that, we welcome you back again to another awesome moment of fashion, your number one channel choice, where we keep you abreast with the latest trend in African fashion, a fashion world. It's brand new week here on the fashion world, and we've come through again with another lovely, beautiful, gorgeous, captivating, fascinating, thrilling, uniquely exotic, classy, and breathtaking best of African fashion for you. In no particular order, the styles are for every woman, regardless of your body type or preference of styles. We've got you covered in this very video. We know how daunting the working week always be for all hardworking fashionistas, and we have put together some lovely, delectable styles that can inspire you for a working week where you can find comfort putting any of the styles rolling by on your screen. And the styles are predominantly made with Ankara fabric as usual. Ankara is legendary, is much as it's generic in terms of fabric amongst Africans. When I talk of styles made with it, that is what distincts fashion designers from those we popularly call tailor. So sit back, relax, get yourself thrilled and stunned with what we have come through for you today, from the beginning to the end, and most definitely you will be glad you did. All pros and credits goes to those iconic fashion designers who are behind all this masterpiece of best of African fashion you are seeing right on your screen. Kudos to them. Enjoy this lovely video. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles and it's interesting, and also subscribe if you are new to this platform. And also don't forget to put on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime we drop a video full of beautiful, breathtaking styles like this on this platform. And also give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles and it's interesting. And don't let it be for your eyes alone. Share this video with family and friends for also even to spread the trend of African design styles across the world. And also leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador of African fashion. Wishing you a prosperous, rewarding working week ahead. I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day upright. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high heat in the middle of the street. Roller coaster, take me to a better time. Let's go. All sing your high line with the roller coaster of life. Yeah. It's time to all choose your timeline on the roller coaster of life. You seem to easily forget how to place your bet. When everyday life gets you down, you gotta steal the crown. Got to own it. Don't bitch and moan about it, please. God forbid you scrape your knees, and it's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you over and over timeline with the roller coaster of life. Roller coaster. I want to go down the rabbit hole, down the rabbit hole of life. And now it's about to leave. Oh, roller coaster.
Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.